have some left over in the fridge, so I'm going to cook them for our breakfast today. And then so we have here we have the tacos. These are, I think, chicken and al pastor. And then we also have the shrimp here. So I'm going to cook this for our breakfast with potatoes and eggs. Let's prepare the potatoes first. So I have like 2 potatoes here. So it's going to be like a skillet breakfast. So potatoes, and then this meat, and then some leftover cheese from our charcuterie dinner, and also like, and then eggs on top. Let's prepare the potatoes first. So no need to peel off the skin. Should be good. So I just need to cook the potatoes first. Our coffee is almost ready too. Let's go to the garden to harvest chives and oranges. We need a basket. It's a beautiful Sunday. Look at the flowers. Look at all these roses. This is my favorite. Beautiful, right? Love this one. The red one over there. And there's a peach rose there. Here's the artichoke. Now we are going to the herb garden to harvest chives, and also we're going to pick some lemon. Oh no, oranges. Oranges are here. So I'll pick an orange, and then the chives. The chives are here. So we have, oh, the spearmint actually. It's actually growing here now. I probably need to uproot that one. Look at this one. Look at the flowers. Oh, not that one, but this. Look. So here's the chives. Chives go very well with eggs. So let me harvest this. And that pretty one is basil. Bees love these flowers too. Harvest this like chives. We have another one over there, another chives. This should be good. Now let's pick the oranges. This one is ready for sure. The one hiding here. This one. And then one more. Maybe this. This one is big. Have oranges and chives here. Now let's get look at our tomatoes. Blueberries. I have blueberries here too. Maybe blueberries later. We should be good with this for now. Let's pick some roses for our vase. Look at this huge rose. Again, my favorite. Which one? The pink one. Maybe this pink roses. Oh, but they are clustered. You see, they are like clustered with the other ones. So if I pick this one, it's going to be like really short, and there are like tiny ones too. So which one? We have maybe those. This one's. Oh, we have more over there too. These ones are very pretty too, and they are like, some of them are on the ground. So yeah, I'll get this one. Look at this. Very elegant looking rose. You hear that? Those are hummingbirds. So this one. Let's get this one. And the other one down here. This. And one more. Oh, this one is like falling apart. See, it's falling apart. No, I don't need that. Oh, that's the hummingbird. I heard the hummingbird. It's up here. One more over there too. Aren't they very pretty? Or like homegrown oranges. Homegrown veggies and fruits, they always taste like better because you pick them at their like perfect like ripeness. When they are like perfectly ready, not like the ones that you get from the grocery stores. They have to pick them earlier because of the transport time and that they're going to be at the grocery before they will be sold. So here are the oranges already. These are this leftover meat in here. We got like 10 tacos, so, and then plus burrito, so we have like leftover. And these are the shrimp. I'm just like warming up this. And then let's put the cheese. Let's put manchego. It's not the cheese here. And then this is the goat cheese. We're making use of the leftover. I think this will be a lot of cheese. And here's our breakfast with leftover tacos from the other night's dinner. And I added potatoes and then eggs. And then the oranges from the garden, the strawberries, and then the English muffins, and then flowers. Those beautiful roses are also from the garden. Look at those. Let's eat.